Assalamu alaikum. My name is MD Abdul Mutin. We are from Group 1 and we are proposing a on-campus canteen takeaway robot. Internet has changed our life in ways no one ever thought possible. It has touched every walks of our life. More recently, after the entry of smartphones, internet went crazy. It started making everything a little more convenient for everyone. Food is a huge part of our life, so it is obvious that businesses wanted it to make more convenient for people to consume more food. And ordering online is the way to do it nowadays, because nowadays ordering food online is a part of our life. It is very convenient, it is time saving, and sometimes it is cost friendly. Though it is very convenient, these food delivery service providers has some shortcomings, mainly when it comes to delivering food in busy areas like on a university campus or college campus. One of the main shortcomings is that the delivery service providers imposes unrealistic delivery timeline on the delivery personnel, as the time is given is less than the time is required. The delivery personnel often speeds up on the road, and these things ends up in accidents. Delivery personnel often hurt themselves and people around them. But the problem is more severe when it comes to uh, places like university or college campuses. When these types of things happens on a campus, it becomes harder for the authorities to ensure the safety for everyone on the campus, and this issue can be solved by an on-campus delivery robot. Furthermore, the food on campus is normally better than the food outside. So for the students who lives a little far from the canteen, or lives in a dormitory, or maybe they are in a different building than from the canteen, but and they do not have the means to attend the canteen, or they just do not want to go there in a rush hour, they can be they can order online, and for delivering the food we can use this on campus robot, and these robots can deliver the food while avoiding accidents or other problems. And these robots will require Raspberry Pi navigation module, obstacle avoidance module, a voice module, driving module, and an applet for anyone to order the food. All they have to do is just order the food from the tablet, and the rest will be done by the restaurants or the canteen, and by the delivery on campus delivery robot. And more about this will be explained by other members of the group. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Myself Mohammad Fahim, and I'm going to present our project on campus campus canteen takeaway robot. So my part is components part. So we have used Raspberry Pi in our project. The design uses Raspberry Pi 4B as a main control terminal. Raspberry Pi is an ARM-based miniature motherboard. The board provides 40 GPIO pin, 4 USB port, 1 GB Ethernet port, and support to 4G or 5G dual Wi-Fi. The Raspberry Pi 4B is equipped with the official Raspbian system. The Raspberry Pi in our project will run our robot smoothly because of its potential code execution skill and its comprehensive controller application. Our next component that we have used in our project is precision navigation system. As we are using a robot, it definitely will be an unmanned system. So unmanned delivery robot for takeout must transport meals to transfer to customers on their own, and this process need a precise navigation system. The navigation system of the Canteen takeaway robot is designed by combining GPS navigation and high precision map navigation. GPS navigation is realized through the GPS module, which integrates radio frequency chip, baseband chip, core CPU, and related peripheral circuit. The GPS module continuously receives the data from satellite and sends it to Raspberry Pi for processing to obtain its own location information. Moving to our next component is intelligent obstacle avoidance system. Being a robot, it must avoid the obstacle to achieve its goal. Uh, when the robot senses objects that hinder it passes through the sensor during the food delivery process, it effectively avoids the obstacle according to a certain method and finally reaches the target addresses of the food delivery. Therefore, sensor technology plays a very important role in obstacle avoidance of mobile robot. In this design, LiDAR sensor and ultrasonic sensor are used to realize the intelligent obstacle avoidance takeaway robot. The LiDAR sensor can scan the surrounding environment 360 degree to construct a centimeter level campus high precision map. Sense the traffic information of the road surrounding environment. Our next component is motor drive module. Due to its high rotational torque, it can drag a takeaway box that weighs a lot. Our final component is WeChat small ordering program. This application is for placing the order and can track the information of an order item. This app is connected to the Cloud Internet of Things platform, which stores user information in the cloud platform. In addition, it will record the current location of the takeout robot. Uh, it will show that our robot has been delivered and send a text message to pick up the meal code. Uh, this app will show that the order has been completed after the students have picked it up. So that's all. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Tanjit Mullah and my ID is 221411053, and I am going to present the connection between Raspberry Pi and other things in my presentation. So at first, let's look at this diagram. Here we can see the clear visibility of how our connection were made. This is the chart of our connection. So we connected our Raspberry Pi with a main control system, which is coupled with a GPS module and the broadcast the location. So we can broadcast the location with the GPS module. Information from the delivery robot is sent to our Raspberry Pi, which then sent via the 4G module in our cloud IoT platform. And after that, our Raspberry Pi main control system is directly connected to ultrasonic obstacle avoidance module, which can detect any obstacles, which sends back to it real-time road information on which Raspberry Pi bases its steering commands. And lastly, there's a motor drive module which is attached to the DC geared motor, and the pins of the motor drive module are then linked to Raspberry Pi. And there is also GPIO port in our Raspberry Pi which we connect our wires, and which is configured to produce control signals to regulate the rotation of the motor. This is how we created our connection between our all elements. Thank you everyone. Assalamu alaikum.
Hello, I am Ronak Kormakan and my ID is 181012998, and I'm going to present the flow of the system of our campus canteen takeaway robot. This is our project and this is the result or flow of the system. And first of all, our system will start and the robot will check that if there was any order or not, and if there is an order, then there will also delivery route and the robot plan for the food delivery route. And first of all, it will check that it is fully charged or not. If it is not, then it will remind the low battery, and if it is yet yes, then it is going to select the first destination address, and then the app we are going to use WeChat will show the location, and the robot will start to move. And if it will check that is it arrive at the destination, if it is not, then it will show that not delivered the food, and it will again start that arrive at destination. If it is yes, then it will ask for say the milk code, and the customer will insert the milk code, and if it is entered correctly, then the meal box will open, and it is not, then it will ask the meal code again. Then After the corresponding box open, then the robot check that if there are any other order or not. If there are any order, then it will check the next destination address, then it will next destination address and it will start from the for below. And if all orders are completed, then our robot will return to the canteen for charge. By thus our system will work, and this is the end of our flow of the system. Thank you.